Okay, hi and welcome to my tutorial. Okay, first off you need to import the pictures you've taken for your video. So you're going to want to find them. Now you're going to click on the first picture, hold down Shift, go to the last picture and click on it, and all of your pictures will be highlighted. Then click Import. Okay, you're going to want to do the same thing again, but actually... Okay, now you're going to go in Tools and make sure your picture duration is to what you like, and it's in advanced, so you can have it higher or lower. I usually have it at 125 because it's easier. Also make sure your video format's on the ones on the screen, but I'm going to be using 4:3 as my pictures are in 4:3, but if you're going to upload it to YouTube, use 6:. Yeah, the other one. Okay, select them all again using the Shift and drag them into the video box. Now you can zoom in to see all your pictures. I usually use this setting because it's really useful. So now you'll have all your videos there. As you can see, you can scroll across and check all of them. I'll just play it to you. It should look a bit like this at the moment. As you can see, it looks like the people are actually walking now, and because the frame rate is at about 15 frames per second, which is a really good frame rate, especially if you're using, like, taking pictures for every slight movement. Okay, what you can go on is Storyboard, where you can see all the pictures. This is where you can add effects and different transitions. It's a really useful object. Okay, between those two I'm going to add a transition because it looks nice rather than just suddenly cutting to each scene. It's good to like blur them two together. Otherwise the watcher doesn't really have time to like take in the information it's just seen. So you want to go back on timeline, and that's not going to last very long. So we want to make it a lot bigger, the transition, because it's going to last like half a second. So there, now you're going to have to drag it in like you would normally, but that transition is going to stay there. Right, now I'm going to show you what it now looks like once it's all the transition. And as you can see, it nicely runs into the two scenes and it's not suddenly cutting across, which is a good thing. Now you can publish it. I usually publish mine to my desktop, and then once I finished all the scenes I put them together and add the titles and credits, which is in Edit. Now call it what you like, and you can put it in anything, but I put it in my desktop so I can find it easily. Now if you have lots of things on you've probably got more settings than I've got, but mine's quite a basic model, so I usually just click best quality for my computer and then I publish it. But you might have a HD setting on some of the newer models, it depends really. I'm going to cancel that because I don't need that scene. I've already done it in one of my other LEGO videos. Now I'll show you what the end result should look like once you've published and everything. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.